In this video, I am going to show you how to take a screen capture in your Android phone. So at first, if you swipe down, if you cannot find any built-in screen recorder option in your phone, then just open up Google Play Store and then search for screen recorder and then download the first one, X Recorder. Just upon install, give it a moment. It's complete. Now just open the app, then tap on enable, then just enable this option and then go back, then tap on allow, then go to settings option, go to audio settings. From here you have to just select internal and microphone option, then allow your microphone access and then go back. Now close the app. Now here you can see a floating icon which you can use to start or stop recording in your phone. Now to start a screen recording, just tap here, then tap on this start button, then tap on start, then tap on share screen. You can see it's starting now. Now it's capturing my screen. If you want to pause it, just tap here and then tap on this stop button and it's complete. Now just open up your gallery app to find this recording. And that's it. And that is how you can take a screen capture in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.